part of the game. It's a rich thing.
Hello, hi, and welcome to Savvy Ash and this is my channel. So today I decided that I'm going to do something a bit different from my normal natural hair routine. So I've been really tired with my natural hair and styling it and all of that, so I decided I'm gonna wash my weave, girl. And here it is. You can even see which part is the front, which side is the back. This is my weave, and I know some people are looking at me like, you're dirty, like why is your weave like this? I can explain, guys. So look at this. So what happened was, I was out around March. We're in July now. Around March, I was out. This is before the whole corona thing became big in South Africa. I was out with my friends, we're having fun, and then it started raining. You know, weave and rain, they're not supposed to be together. And it was cool. And then we went to like a place that was sheltered, and we chilled there, and we just continued with the night. Like, we're not going to be stopped by rain, please. After that, I went back home and I slept with the weave. This is why it looks like this. It was wet and I went to sleep with it because I was, guys, you know, when you're having one of those nights where you're having fun and you just are like, you know what, screw everything, I'm just gonna have me a good time, and then you forget that there's like situations that can be like this. So guys, if you already like this video and you already think that you want to see me transform this into something better, please do subscribe to my channel and do like it if you do. And do tell me, guys, how do you fix your weaves when they start looking raggedy? I'm sure your guys' weaves don't look like this, but like, we have moments where our weaves look like a mess, and I just want to know how you guys do it. And then today I'm going to show you how I transform this.
So when it comes to washing my weave, I use the boiling method. I boil some water in the kettle, and then I will go ahead and pour some shampoo over my weave. You guys know I use the organic shampoo. Whichever shampoo you use on your hair, it's good for your weave. Then I will pour the hot water over my wig and let it soak for a little bit. Then I take my little sister's ruler and then I just like make sure every piece of like the hair strands is soaked in that hot water. If you're brave, you could use your fingers, but do not do that. This is after some time. I let the weave like become warm, then I'll use my hands to remove all of the dirt. Guys, this weave was dirty. It is horrible. What is going on? Then I will condition after I've done that. So you're going to use some new water, pour the conditioner all over your wig, and then yeah, you can lather the conditioner all over your wig. Now I'm going to wring the wig with my water that has conditioner, and then I will start to detangle it with a brush. You could use a detangling comb, you could use a tangle teaser, and try to be gentle. I know it looks like I'm being like very rough, but I'm actually being light-handed because I'm not going too deep into the weave. I'm actually just trying to focus more on the outside layer and then work my way in. So also try to have some type of technique. Also, you can detangle it with your hands. Guys, it's a mess. So this is basically the most important part. We use fabric softener or Sta-Soft. This is now I'm going to be conditioning it basically with fabric softener, and this works so well, guys. You really need to try this. It also makes your wig smell so good, it's not even funny. So I'll let that soak through, and I'll continue with finger detangling it and soaking it in the water just to let the fabric softener go in. Then I'll detangle again for a second time just to make sure that I got all the knots out and all the kinks out. Now, when I'm done with that, I'm going to wrap it in my towel. I don't know if it's a good idea to blow dry your wig when it is wet. I rather let it air dry. Then the next morning, we check it out. It is still a bit damp, but I like it this way so that I don't work on it while it's too dry, because I think it has more shading when you work when it's too dry. And I use a normal iron when it comes to my wig. I don't have a flat iron, and for me a normal iron works so well, so that's what I use. And if you don't have a straightener or an iron, use your normal clothing iron for this. Just checking if it's hot enough. I love it hot, because the hotter it is, the more like it's easier to detangle your wig. And this is basically the technique I use. I'm just gonna iron and comb through, iron, comb through, iron and comb through. That's all I'll be doing throughout this whole time.
So guys, this is the final result of me ironing this weave, me washing it and everything. It does kind of look flat because it's not fully dry yet. It's kind of still wet, especially inside, but once it does dry it will be poofy. And actually this is not a straight wig, it's a wavy wig. So it's straight only because I used the iron on it. As time goes by it will go back to its wavy normal self, but I think I'm liking it being straight. Tell me guys, comment down below if you do like it straight. Do you prefer a wavy or straight wig? That's what I want to know from you guys. And I think straight is like sleek. Like this video and do subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos of me turning disasters into like brand new things. I mean, this is magic what I did to this, and all I needed was an iron, just an iron to do this. Guys, please, like, everybody else could go home, all the hairstylists go home. This is my forte. What else do I want to tell you guys? No, just like, comment, subscribe. Subscribing is free. And yeah, that's it. Stay savvy.